always an extrovert. That was my inbuilt quality.
Okay.
But my confidence
It
started
started
taking shape.
increasing.
Yes, I was a spokesperson. I was a speaker in school also. So I was always, my father's contribution is very large here because he always wanted me to go on stage and own it basically. So वो journey एक different रही, खुद की self development की जो हर बच्चे की एक अलग रहती है. But I'm connecting the dots which actually milestones which brought me to who I am today.
Yes, that is important.
Yes.
That is important for the audience to know also.
Yes.
Because normally if we start analyzing life, तो ज़्यादातर हमें यही महसूस होता है कि हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत बार सामने होती है, लेकिन हम क्योंकि हमारा कोई गाइड नहीं होता या फिर हम खुद उस टाइम मेंटली इतने प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं होते या अपने आप पे बिलीव नहीं करते, इस वजह से वो अपॉर्चुनिटी होते हुए सामने भी हम उसको ग्रैब नहीं कर पाते. सो योर इंटायर स्टोरी, जो जहाँ से आप बैकग्राउंड आया है आपका, ये सब ऑडियंस के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होगा क्योंकि आपने तो कर लिया, आपने तो वो बाधा को पार कर लिया, पर जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उनके लिए बहुत समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yes. So I am a army child and I am married to army officer. So being army child, आप ना limited कैंट एरिया में रहते हो, limited exposure, limited schooling, सब कुछ limited होता है. वो it sounds fancy but it is very limited. So वो एक अलग challenge होता है. When you go out in the world, you see okay like मुझे तो बहुत कुछ सीखना है या फिर I'm still, आप सेल्फ कंपेयर, वो सब चीज़ें हर किसी के साथ होती ही हैं. So I have also gone through all that. But the only positive thing I believe it also came from my mother, that she was always optimistic and positive in life and never have let us, and she was very friendly with us. So it again gives a message to the mothers of daughters especially, that they have to be there as good listeners and good friends. And friends don't find solutions. They sometimes just lend you the ear and the shoulder to cry on. So many times of course जो आपको लगता है आप करना चाहते हो, किसी भी वजह से नहीं कर पा रहे हो, so you just want to talk about it. So there should be some confidant person, है ना? So that's how it happened. And I got married. Before that, of course, I started working with hospitality industry. I went to Mumbai also because that was again an industry which I was happy with. I feel because everyone has different personality traits. So it was in my own personality and mindset and everything was towards hospitality. मतलब I never felt it's a pain for me to smile. I never felt I'm taking efforts in making people comfortable.
बहुत
Naturally it was, yes. So I was enjoying. I used to see people around me who used to say, oh training में ऐसा बोला गया तो we have to do. Plasticity was there. मेरे हमेशा genuine थी. It's not about boasting, it's about knowing yourself. So this is the self-awareness journey. तो मुझे समझ आया कि ये मेरे लिए बड़ा effortless journey and I'm liking it. Then you realize कि अब मुझे career graph देखना है, career path सोचना है. So I made some aims in the industry. But again, you are a woman. So there has to be like from the parents' side and the society side, there has to be time for study, time for marriage.